Hey, Jake. Can you believe it's finally summer vacation?
I know, right? It feels like we've been counting down the days forever.
Definitely. So, what are your plans for the summer?
Well, I'm thinking of heading to the coast for a surfing trip. You know, catching some waves and soaking up the sun.
That sounds amazing. I've always wanted to try surfing. Mind if I tag along?
Of course not. The more, the merrier. It'll be awesome to have you there.
Awesome. I can't wait. I'll have to start practicing my balance on dry land first.
Haha, don't worry, I'll give you some pointers. It's all about finding your rhythm.
Thanks, Jake. You're the best. So, when are we heading out?
I was thinking next weekend. Gives us some time to pack and get everything sorted.
Sounds like a plan. I'll start gathering up my beach gear and sunscreen.
Perfect! It's gonna be epic, Mia. I can already picture us riding those waves together.
Me too, Jake. I'm counting down the days already.
Hey, remember that trip we took to the mountains last summer?
How could I forget? That was one of the best adventures ever.
Absolutely! Hiking through the trails, camping under the stars. It was like something out of a movie.
And that breathtaking view from the summit. I swear, I could have stayed up there forever.
I know what you mean. It was so peaceful, so serene. Just us in the wilderness.
We definitely need to plan another mountain getaway soon. Maybe in the fall when the leaves start changing colors.
That sounds magical. Count me in. We'll pack our bags, hit the trails, and lose ourselves in nature once again.
I can't wait, Jake. It's gonna be another unforgettable trip, I just know it.
Hey, speaking of unforgettable trips, remember that crazy road trip we took after graduation?
How could I forget? That was the wildest adventure of them all.
Driving for hours on end, blasting our favorite tunes, stopping at every roadside diner along the way. It was pure freedom.
And who could forget that impromptu camping trip in the middle of nowhere? Sleeping under the stars with nothing but a bonfire to keep us warm.
That was the highlight of the trip for sure. Just us, our tents, and the great outdoors.
We were unstoppable, Jake. No destination too far, no detour too wild. Just two friends on the open road.
Those were the days, Mia. Carefree and full of adventure. I wouldn't trade those memories for anything in the world.
Me neither, Jake. They etched in my heart forever. But you know what? I have a feeling this summer's gonna top them all.
You might be right, Mia. With you by my side, anything's possible.
Cheers to that, Jake. Here's to another summer of endless possibilities and unforgettable adventures.
Cheers, Mia. Let's make this one for the books.